Last time, we explored the genetics behind werewolves. Now, let's sink our teeth into another legend. What if vampires too were born not from supernatural myth, but from misunderstood biology? Meet porphyria, a group of rare genetic disorders that disrupt the body's production of heme, a key component of red blood cells. The symptoms? Severe anemia, leading to deathly pale skin. Extreme sensitivity to sunlight, known as phototoxicity, where even minimal exposure can cause painful blisters and burns. Historically, some desperate individuals with porphyria even drank animal blood, hoping to replenish the iron their bodies craved. Sound familiar? It's the classic vampire profile, written in our very own DNA. But what about the fangs? Well, no supernatural shapeshifting is needed here. In eras plagued by malnutrition, conditions like scurvy or severe periodontal disease were rampant. These illnesses caused gums to recede dramatically, making the canine teeth appear much longer and more prominent. So, those terrifying fangs might have just been a sign of extreme dental and vitamin deficiencies, not a mark of the undead. And the idea of a vampire lying dormant in a coffin, seemingly dead but not quite? This taps into a real biological phenomenon. In emergency medicine, we use therapeutic hypothermia to dramatically slow a patient's metabolism after trauma, preserving their brain and organs. It's a state of suspended animation. In the animal kingdom, bats, the classic vampire companions, enter a state called torpor. Their heart rate can drop by a staggering 98%, and their body temperature plummets. It's not immortality. It's an extreme energy-saving strategy that mimics the appearance of death. So, why are they creatures of the night? This could be linked to our internal clocks. Certain mutations in our circadian rhythm genes can completely flip a person's sleep-wake cycle. Add a condition like xeroderma pigmentosum, where any exposure to UV rays is life-threatening, and you have individuals forced to live their entire lives by moonlight. When you only see someone after dark, pale, and gaunt, it's easy for fear and imagination to write the rest of the story. The fascinating part is that modern science could offer a cure for a historical vampire. Gene therapy could correct the faulty gene causing porphyria, and synthetic blood transfusions could treat the anemia. Science doesn't just debunk myths. It reveals how eerily close some of them were to a grim medical reality. So, are vampires real? No, not in the supernatural sense. But were real, suffering people once mistaken for them? Almost certainly. Biology can turn anyone into a monster in the eyes of the uninformed. But with a little bit of understanding, we can transform that fear into empathy. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which myth you want us to deconstruct next. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the science behind the legends.